Horerete uguo ngirorera the sunset ngiria go contemplate uria muthenya watinda, because I think as a sane person you need those moments whereby nurageria kuria ciuria igiri ithatu, or maybe it's my age. Maybe it's an age thing. I've been thinking a lot about like steps na make like people nina interact na wao ekora giuria ciuria nyingi agugo. But also I think as a creative we need such moments, because they say, you know, those writers and poets, it's because they are super attentive with what is happening. That's why they are who they are, and that's why they mahota kuiga ciugo ria mako macigite. So yeah, this is my moment. Githikiriria tonyoni kuria muico, ndege kuria muico, nduthi kihituka, atumia makihituka makiaria story ciao, gari ikihituka na sound yayo. But lately kaundu ngoretwo find kiria kuguo nindageria gugitengeria gugicaria ni some quiet moments, cause aigua ta they overcrowded na maundu thiini wa tombo wakwa. So early mornings either I'm running kana knock walk, just walking. Riwa nirianjia guburiria riu ri tu ni nduthi na inegana riayo ugekora ati ngekora ngiukira tene, so I'm walking nakutana na kijiji, like a shopping center where it's just clean, like not clean, clear of humans. It's free of humans. Gutiri uraririkana ati ni gukiire okire, like on a Saturday na Sunday andu matirokaga rucini. So ni koraga day moment, you know, like you're walking in, it's like a ghost town. Gutiri mundu uracemania nake, gutiri mundu mwahingicana nake, niraigua makinya maku me mothe. Uzuru wa those moments ni stumaga ukorwo na time ya ku reflect on some things. This particular episode ni ya ku urge andu magerie gwetha kamweke ka uhoreru, kamweke ga guikara thi gu contemplate. Onoko ni do guikara thi contemplate on things, just be in quietness. Hari andu utuko thitima cingiura na thimu ndiri mwaki, no maigue ta mekuita, no maigue ta me like in another world, a super uncomfortable world, because we all, I think to soketa gwikora, we all need some vice to be with, like we need an assistant, or we need an assistance to be. We karete either way na earphones kana wina thimu ura scroll, oko tiguo TV on, oko tiguo he mundu muikaranitie nake. Nona ta uria ani kaundu ndireciregeira ona uria andu aingi aitu tutirega guthii ta maguru matheri uguo, tutirega gwikora like barefoot. Huwe hena ka disconnect between ourselves and nature. The same thing. Na gukorwo it's just you and yourself. No, I have these guys with me, myself and I. There's always a further person. Either ne thimu, nĩ mũndũ ũngĩ in person, kana nĩ TV, kana nĩ there's always something. Those moments cia gũkorwo ũhorerete ũguo rĩ, moments icio nĩ cikoragwo ciĩ super interesting and super powerful. They are ikiuga atĩa, nĩ cirĩ kaũndũ ciĩkaga mũndũ agekora oh man, the other day ndĩreroragĩra the sunset. I was walking my walks, ndĩrakora nĩ nginyire Limuru, kuma Mũgwa nginya Limuru ti handũ hanini, ti handũ hakuhĩ, especially if you're walking early in the morning. Ndĩrakora na huko macani-inĩ, rĩu na mũtambũrũko wa macani. I think niteka video hapo hivyo, and for some reason nĩngũreka yambe Iran just like that. I could do find beauty in such moments. I think yenyewe matrix imekupata kukupata. And I understand her conversation that I have again a couple of people, there's no way outside the matrix, because the so-called outside the matrix is another matrix designed by itself. But he kamwene ni he ntajera ithuothe ni njera tukorwo twi njera, no harĩ mũndũ wĩ gas chamber citagwo atĩa kũrĩa mũndũ aikagia in isolation atuĩka nĩ agiire andũ mũno, kwĩho atonaga sunlight for like ũrĩa kwĩrwo like a week, 3 days, a month, no irio tu enangagĩrĩrwo, ndwĩthambaga, nduonaga riũa, ũkiuma kuma wĩ mũgũrũki. Na rĩu harĩ ũrĩa ũhetwo wĩna mahinda ma kuma hau nja ote riũa, nĩ ara interact na andũ arĩa angĩ. Rĩu ithuĩ rĩ twĩ layers icio. The worst thing about ithuĩ rĩ nĩ atĩ most of us tuko na capability ya kwĩyoera mweke ũcio, to enjoy riũa rĩu, no tũtiĩkaga ũguo. I would urge you to find some time, step outside, wabe absorb riũa rĩu rĩkĩroka. The energy, it feeds you nourishment practically. Ta mũndũ ũrarĩa kahũna rĩu nĩ reheaga mũndũ vitamin D. No riũa rĩgĩkinya thaa 4 thaa 5 rĩu tiko rĩ nourishment ona hanini afana. But now that we imagine ukiriona likiumira, because even you like visually kuna vitu zinakuwa enhanced. And I know it sounds something like a cliche, but you wouldn't know the magic it does bring until we try. Ndũgathikĩrĩrie andũ arĩa maugaga atĩ stepping outside you need some Nike shoes, you need some Puma, you need a track suit, or you need sparkling water nĩgetha. No, that's consumerism. That is capitalism. Like you won't feel like you're doing something until you have the gadgets. Amugimedaga stopwatch. Amonimedaga thimũ na app ya kuonania how many kilometers they've done. Fana tie guthikĩrĩria andũ acio. Na by the way hau nĩho thĩna mũnene ũgũkĩra. Rĩrĩa kwajia guthikĩrĩria andũ acio maugaga atĩ ngũmũthĩ njĩkire kilomita 3 rũciũ ndenda gwĩka. No. Tondũ ũtangĩhota ku master ciaku ndũkanauma nja ũriugaga atĩrĩ na need a gadget ya kũrora ndĩrathiĩ kilometers cigana. That's all I can say. That's all. Like, yo, be alone for some time. Corona hakiri ikajia na ikarikia. The other day, njĩraga kuma I think it's the same day ya gũthiĩ Tigoni ndathire kuona ndagereire hau hakoragwo na Lake Tigoni, and then just the sound and the view ya lake ĩyo ĩna mist ĩyo ĩna gĩbii kĩu gĩkĩgerera on the very surface of water. That moment was incredible. And the fact that hatirĩ mũndũ twarĩ nake ũrahe stories cia kũni-interrupt, whatever was happening in my mind took place, and like from one time to the other. Tukoraga andũ mekirĩire rĩngĩ marageria gũkorwo magĩciria maũndũ na tũgakorwo tukĩmoria, are you okay? Is everything all right? Because you're worried about what? Sometimes we need to let people's thoughts just flow. Just be like from one step to the other, unfazed. Kind of like me na the sunset. So right, you will because I have no one to ask me questions. I have no one to bother me with, nikiureka hau. Andũ meho matũma ngina mũndũ aigue tarĩ waste time, because this is not wasting time. This is spending time. This is giving it to yourself. Like, this is investing to yourself, because tutika maũndũ macio tũtũraga tũkombithagia mahinda maitũ mothe for a paycheck, then ũgatũmĩra paycheck ĩyo kũrĩha ndagĩtarĩ nĩ ũndũ wa mwĩrĩ maũndũ marĩa yetagia na andũ aminengerie. Rĩu ningĩ now you have to deal with the consequences of being sick. If there's anything we're going to take from this particular video is be you. Take some time and just be alone. Enjoy the moment. Be selfish like that for once. Be selfish. But you don't have to do anything just because you're hanging out with people. You're doing what like the collective in a day. You know, sometimes you need to take your own path. Just do you. And it is not interesting. In people's idea of fun, it has to have something with it. I don't know, drinking, partying at large, taking road trips. But sometimes the idea of fun is just being alone, just chill. Or it's just me. I don't know. Anyway, mahinda mega mena riri makĩria.